Changing the email link to your iCloud account can help you manage your Apple services more effectively. Follow these steps to update your email address. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Go to the Apple ID website apple.apple.com and sign in with your current Apple ID and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account section. Here, you will find options related to your Apple ID, including your current email address. Step 3. Edit your email address. Look for the option to edit your Apple ID. Click on Edit next to your current email address and follow the prompts to enter your new email address. Step 4. Verify your new email. After entering your new email, Apple will send a verification email to that address. Check your inbox and click on the verification link to confirm the change. Step 5. Update your devices. Once verified, make sure to update the email address on all your Apple devices. Go to Settings, tap on your name, and sign out of your Apple ID. Then sign back in with your new email address. By following these steps, you can successfully change the email link to your iCloud account. Make sure to keep your account information updated for a seamless experience with Apple services.